Many of us often feel tired with the stench that comes out of the air conditioner when it's turned on. Especially in the summer when the weather warms up. Magic mixture to eliminate the smell of car conditioner. There are several solutions that help you overcome this odor and eliminate it, including using mixtures made with simple ingredients of white vinegar, lemon and water, by mixing ingredients and placing them in spray bottles for use in spraying on air vents. How to eliminate the smell of car air conditioners? You can also deodorize by running the air conditioner at the highest level and determine the fastest position of the fan, in addition to spraying the mixture in the ventilation hole while keeping the car doors closed. One way to combat the bad odors of air cars as well. The continued operation of recycled conditioned ventilation conditioners is sprayed with a large amount of mixture in the openings.